Today we're talking about what kind of equipment you need in your concierge nurse business and how you get that started. Hi, I'm Catie Harris, founder of NursePreneurs, and I'm here today with Kimble Walters, who is the owner of Elite Concierge Nurses. Kimble, thanks so much for being with us today. And our question for you is, what type of equipment do you take with you on your concierge nurse visits?
Hi, Catie. Thank you for having me. Okay, well, it depends on the client and what they've had done. So most of our clients are post-op surgery patients, mostly plastic surgery. So we definitely have a backpack full of goodies, like extra fluff, extra gauze, tapes, and all kinds of little things that they may need replacing. Maybe they don't have enough of it or whatever. So we take extra things with us in case they don't have it. We also do have a stethoscope and a blood pressure test. We do a set of vital signs, a baseline set when we first get there and get started, so that we can make sure, we know what their baseline is. We have that. So some of our clients, we're there with them for a couple of days and it's time for a shower and they don't have a shower chair or anything. So in my experience with these clients, I have purchased a shower chair that I can take with me if I need it. We do an assessment, on the first day to see what we may need coming up and what we don't. So I have some supplies like that I can use if necessary. Most of the time I don't have to though. So basically my backpack, and we do carry some little nice things for them like tea, and I have some aromatherapy that I take with me, my diffuser with my essential oils, and some things like that just makes for a nice atmosphere and environment.
Oh, that does sound nice.
Yeah, like I said, I do an assessment of things when I get there to see, where am I going, how it is when I get there, what kind of place they have or whatever. And then I decide, okay, this would be nice for them, and we do offer them a gift before leaving after taking care of them. So we may give them, depending on if it's a man or a woman, we have little towels with our logo and name on it. We have mugs with straws in them, the tumbler cups with our name on them. And we have, for the ladies, we have a little kit with a candle in it and like some bath things. And it has our card and our name on some of the stuff.
Oh, it sounds like such a nice personal touch.
Yeah, we do.
So you do an assessment before the client actually has surgery?
I try to, if at all possible, I try to meet with them, and we just go over, the ground rules and everything. And I kind of I like to see where we're going to be. I ask them a whole bunch of questions, all the way down to, do you have pets? What kind of pets do you have? How are we going to take care of them? Who else lives in the home? We want to try to just make sure that if you're having abdominoplasty, you have a recliner to sleep in, because your doctor is going to want you to sleep in a recliner. So we just go over a lot of things. And if I can put my eyes on the environment, then I always do if I can.
Oh, it's huge. Yeah, you don't want to walk in and a big Rottweiler come out
Right.
thinking you're...
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, Kimble. Well, thank you so much for this information.
Oh, you're welcome.
When you're ready to start or scale a concierge nurse business, NursePreneurs is the world's largest and most experienced group of concierge nurses. We can set up and launch your concierge nurse business in 90 days. In addition to all the concierge nurses in our own group, you also get your own personal one-on-one concierge nurse mentor who guides you through all the obstacles and challenges that are inherent in this type of business model. If you want to get started without the headache and the overwhelm of trying to figure out all the pieces on your own, you want to be supported throughout the entire process and start generating income in the next 90 days, then go to catieharris.com/NursePreneurs. nursepreneurship.com/application. Complete the application and schedule your interview today.